Do I have to go to Korea now to try it? Hi, this is Aparrna Gupta and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. Today I'm at the Lakmē Salon, Linking Road, Mumbai, and I'm excited to try the K-Ssence Head Ritual. This Korean hair ritual has been trending everywhere, but does it live up to its hype? I'm here to find out. So Audrey, I'm super excited to try this. Can you walk me through the K-Ssence Head Ritual?
So Aparrna, K-Ssence Head Ritual is our newest innovation at Lakmē Salon. Of course, it is our 15-step ritual that not only gives you a holistic approach, but also takes care of your scalp and hair completely. We have a lot of innovations that we have used, like your galvanic massager, your red light therapy, and not to forget, we have the products that have the advanced bioferment technology that is going to take care of your scalp and hair today.
Audrey, what's the inspiration behind this ritual?
So the K ritual, or the K-Ssence Hair Ritual that we are actually doing today, is inspired by Korean beauty practices. It's of course trending, Aparrna. You've seen it everywhere.
I know. I can't wait to try it because I was
exactly.
Do I have to go to Korea now to try it?
Now, if you see the whole process, since we're talking about a 15-step process here, it not only cleanses any kind of problems out of your scalp, like your dandruff, your irritation, soreness, like I said,
even like stress.
Even like stress, right? So, of course, stress relief, right? Because it's a proper 90-minute process. So it gives you that kind of calmness, that softness into your scalp. But at the same time, make sure that it is stress relief for you, right? So 90 minutes, you're completely relaxed, yeah? And then when we talk about strengthening of your hair, takes care of the strengthening of your hair, takes care of the strengthening of your hair follicle, right? So every time you do the treatment, I want you to do an elasticity test. Every time before the treatment, you just pull your hair and you'll see if it's breaking. After the treatment, it will be quite elastic.
Oh,
so that's like a fantastic test to take on your own, even at home.
Lovely. And also tell me, Audrey, I've got really long hair. So do you think it will also work on my ends?
Absolutely. It will work on your midlands and ends too.
Here's a detailed breakdown of the key steps. Step number 1, detailed scalp analysis to understand individual scalp condition. Step number 2, gentle shampoo to cleanse the hair. Step number 3, intense scalp cleanser to remove impurities. Step number 4, galvanic brush massage for 5 minutes to boost scalp circulation. Step number 5, application of a potent scalp vaccine for nourishment. Step number 6, LED red light comb massage to soothe and revitalize the scalp. Step number 7, warm steam session to open pores and enhance absorption. Step number 8, refreshing waterfall rinse. Step number 9, calming hand massage for relaxation. Step number 10, nourishing conditioner application for hair softness. Step number 11, another round of galvanic massager to stimulate to enhance treatment efficacy. Step number 12, post-treatment scalp analysis to assess improvements. Step number 13, application of a targeted scalp spray. Step number 14, shine boosting hair serum for glossy hair. And step number 15, professional blow dry to complete the ritual.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Be Beautiful for all things beauty and wellness.